The engine block is the foundation of the engine. It is the largest, heaviest component, and everything else in the engine is installed in the engine block, such as the crankshaft, rods, and pistons. Cylinder heads are bolted to the block, as well as components such as the oil pan, timing covers, water pump, and multiple brackets to support accessories such as steering pumps, alternators, and air conditioning compressors. The cylinder block reflects the engine design and number of cylinders. It may be an inline design or a V configuration. The number of cylinders and the bore diameter of each cylinder are two of the factors that affect engine displacement. Engine mounts secure the block to the vehicle frame or body, and the transmission is bolted to the back. The engine block is a very complex component, not only due to its shape and design, but inside are critical passageways that direct the flow of oil and coolant. When an engine must be rebuilt, the majority of the time the block is reused. The only parts of a block that are in direct contact with other moving components are the cylinders, which can become worn or distorted over time and thousands of miles. The cylinders are bored, which is a process that cuts away metal to return the cylinder to the proper shape. Then they are honed, which puts the proper finish on the cylinder so it will seal with the piston rings when reassembled. The remainder of the block is thoroughly cleaned and inspected for cracks or damage before it is ready for reassembly. Due to the type of work and specialty equipment, an engine machine shop is required to perform this work. When a block is machined and prepared for a rebuild, components such as oil galley plugs and casting plugs, which can appear as permanent components, are removed and replaced, and you may often be asked for them. Thanks for watching.